Good morning, children, and welcome to the online session of English Grammar of Class 4. We are on page number 46 and we have to do the exercises today. Alright, so please take the pencil in your hand, okay, and just pay attention to what I say. Exercise number D. Now, when you reached home, you told your mother, "Luck was by my side today." Now, think about your lucky day and write about it in first person. So, you have to think about one of your luckiest days and you have to write it down here in first person. What is the first person? In the last class, I had told you first person is the speaker himself, and these are the words that we use in the first person. When we speak, I, me, we, us, when we refer to our own self, that type of words are called first person pronouns. And these all are first person pronouns. I, me, we, and us. Okay, first person means the speaker himself, the one who speaks. So let us do this exercise. I have written, I have just written this lucky day, okay, of my own. You have to think yours and you have to write your own. If you want, you can write this also, okay. I think that I have been very lucky today, full stop. I had forgotten to complete my English homework and was very scared because my English teacher is very strict. Full stop. But today she was on leave, means she was absent. I believe that luck was by my side today. So this is how I have written the luckiest day. I have just described the day on which I felt that I was the luckiest. Okay. So if you want, you can write this lucky day, this description also, okay, in your book. Now come to exercise E. Underline the pronouns and write against each sentence the form of pronoun or person used. State whether it is in the first person, second person, or third person. Alright. In the previous class, I had told you that these are the first person. The speaker, I, me, we, and us. The second person is the person we are speaking to, and we refer to that person with you. Okay. Third person is the person about whom we are speaking, and we refer to them by these words. Okay. He, him, she, her, they, them, it. Alright. So let us do this exercise. First one, lions are royal animals. They are called the king of the jungle. So here, underline they. They is a third person. They is a third person. Second one, I like the cakes made by mother. Underline I, it is the first person. I is the first person. Third, you are such a soft-spoken person. You is a second person. Fourth, their house is spacious. It is so beautiful and well kept. Now here children, there and it is, they both are third person pronouns. Alright. Fifth, we are going to the golden temple. Now here we is first person pronoun. Sixth, my mother cooks delicious food for us. Now underline us, it is first person. Seventh, she makes special food for Anik every day. Underline she, it is third person pronoun. 8. You should maintain a collection of old stamps. You is a second person pronoun. 9. I joined school on the first day of the new session. Now I here is a first person pronoun. 10. Cows are herbivorous. They eat grass, leaves and vegetables. So underline they. They is third person pronoun. Okay. So this exercise is complete. Now we will move to next exercise. That is F. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of personal pronouns. First one. Please come here. I want to talk to you. Here I will come. Second, come and tell me what happened. Third, my mother told me about my great grandfather. Fourth, Rita is my best friend and she is absent today. Fifth, I have a question for each one of you. Okay. 6. Our teacher told us that we should not eat outside daily. 7th, they talk to me only when they want me to do something for them. Here in the first blank, me will come, and in the second blank, them will come. Now come to next page. Number 8. Rita and I are good friends. We study in the same school. So here we have used the personal pronoun we. 9. My mother was worried about me. 10th. Their class teacher was very angry with them. So in all these blanks we have used what type of pronouns? Personal pronouns. Alright, personal pronouns. Now children, that's all for today. I have completed 3 exercises in today's class, that is D, E and F. So what you have to do is, you have to write all these 3 exercises in your English 1 copy very neatly and also learn it. Okay, so we will meet in the next class with the next topic, that is singular and plural pronouns. Alright, so till then you keep learning and stay safe. Thank you.